Switch back to your vendor dashboard and go to My Listings. On the row for your watch product, click the Add Discount button. A pop-up appears. Discount percentage, enter 15. Duration, enter 2 days. The cost is calculated, example 10 SP. Click Buy Slot and create discount. Do the same for your automobile service, enter 15% for 2 days and confirm. Now, return to the user view one last time. Navigate to the discount store. Search or filter for Visakhapatnam. You will now see your automobile and watch listings with a 15% off badge. Everyone loves a deal. Click on the Discount Store tab. Use the search bar or filter by your city to find local offers. Let's click View More on this web development service, which offers a 10% discount. To claim it, simply click the blue Get Coupon button. The system will generate a unique alphanumeric code for you. You can copy this code to use with the vendor. Let's try one more. Find a product, like this snap card, view the details, and click Get Coupon. A new code is generated instantly. To verify these coupons, go back to your dashboard by clicking your profile icon.